Hi, Will here from IT Pros Management. In the complex and constantly evolving landscape of cybersecurity, organizations are often faced with the task of implementing and managing stringent security policies and procedures. While IT support staff are instrumental in ensuring operational efficiency and technological functionality, they may not be the most effective solution for navigating the sophisticated realm of cybersecurity. Understanding these challenges is the first step towards devising effective strategies to enhance your organization's cybersecurity posture. In our journey ahead, we will delve into these issues in detail, underscore their implications, and explore potential solutions. Despite the escalating threats, many IT staff find it challenging to maintain an effective and comprehensive cybersecurity program. Here are some key reasons. Limited time and resources. IT personnel often juggle multiple tasks, from troubleshooting hardware issues to maintaining network efficiency. Given these responsibilities, finding time to stay ahead of the evolving cybersecurity threat landscape can be a daunting task. IT personnel are often stretched thin due to their extensive role in managing an organization's technological infrastructure. Consequently, they are left with limited time and resources to dedicate to the specialized field of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a specialized field that requires a deep understanding of complex technologies and threat mechanisms. Without this expertise, IT staff may struggle to implement the most effective cybersecurity measures. Cybersecurity is a highly specialized field that necessitates an in-depth understanding of intricate technologies and evolving threat mechanisms. It is a realm where threats are constantly advancing, demanding continuous learning and adaptability. In the absence of this specific expertise, IT support staff may find it challenging to devise, implement and manage the most effective cybersecurity measures that can safeguard an organization's digital assets. However, there is a solution. At IT Pros Management, we offer a comprehensive range of IT services and solutions tailored to meet your specific needs. Our team of experts works with you to understand your unique challenges and devise effective strategies to enhance your organization's cybersecurity posture. Another challenge is IT staff are typically responsible for a wide range of duties. With the focus spread across various areas, cybersecurity can sometimes take a backseat, leaving organizations vulnerable. IT staff, with their myriad responsibilities, often find themselves at the forefront of maintaining an organization's technological equilibrium. In such a scenario, focusing on cybersecurity can inadvertently become a lower priority, thereby exposing the organization to potential vulnerabilities. This is where IT Pros Management steps in, understanding the criticality of cybersecurity in today's digital age. We offer dedicated services to fortify your organization's cyber defenses. Our team of seasoned professionals stays updated with the latest cybersecurity trends and threats, enabling us to devise robust and effective security strategies tailored specifically for your business or nonprofit. The implications of not having a robust cybersecurity program are indeed severe and wide-ranging. Data breaches can expose sensitive customer information, potentially leading to substantial fines and legal problems. Such events can also have financial repercussions that can include not just the immediate fines and legal costs, but also potential loss in future revenues due to diminished customer trust. The aftermath of these incidents can have long-lasting effects on business operations, revenues, and overall brand image. Furthermore, the effects of a weak cybersecurity program can be far-reaching and devastating. In an era where data is the new gold, protecting it is of paramount importance. Data breaches not just expose sensitive customer information, but also unveil critical business secrets that could potentially benefit competitors or malicious entities. Moreover, the damage to an organization's reputation can be irreparable. Hiring dedicated cybersecurity personnel may seem costly, but the return on investment can be substantial. A specialized team can proactively identify threats, mitigate risks, and ensure that your organization's cybersecurity measures are up to date and effective. Investing in dedicated cybersecurity personnel is not merely a cost, but a strategic investment that can yield significant returns. In today's digital landscape, where cyber threats are increasingly sophisticated and pervasive, having a team of specialized cybersecurity experts can be a game changer. Their expertise in managing security infrastructures, conducting risk assessments, and implementing effective security controls can significantly reduce the likelihood of data breaches and be a game changer. At IT Pros Management, we understand the critical role that cybersecurity plays in your business. We cater to a diverse range of industries, including legal, logistics, architecture, engineering, financial services, healthcare, nonprofit organizations, and manufacturing. Our services are tailored to meet your specific needs, and we offer unlimited 24/7 live support, ensuring that help is just a phone call away whenever you need it. The complexities and challenges in maintaining an effective cybersecurity program necessitate the need for dedicated professionals. It's essential to understand that the intricacies of cybersecurity are not just about installing antivirus software or using strong passwords. It's about creating a comprehensive security strategy that evolves with the ever-changing threat landscape. Don't let your organization become another cybersecurity statistic. It's time to prioritize cybersecurity and protect your business from the ever-evolving threats. Act now and safeguard your organization's future. At IT Pros Management, we have a team of dedicated cybersecurity professionals who specialize in this field. They bring their extensive experience and expertise to help businesses across various industries. We understand that each industry has its unique set of challenges and requirements, and we tailor our cybersecurity services accordingly to offer the most effective solutions. To learn more about IT Pros Management cybersecurity services and how they can help your business or nonprofit, visit our website at itprosmanagement.com or call us at 866-487-7671. Thank you for spending this time with me, and remember, with IT Pros Management you can relax. IT's covered.